Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what chiropractic ads to use for your business and also how to set it up in Facebook Ads Manager. So let's get into it. Basically, I'm going to show you which ads I like, which ads I don't like, and then critique other people's ads, and then show you how to set it all up. Okay. So I'm going to go to facebook.com/ad/library, which is the website you can use to search any ads you want. So just type in chiropractors and then we'll go from the top. Okay. So all these are brand new ads that have been running because it says December 12th we started running on. So I don't really care about these ads as much because I kind of know they're newer and I know people are testing them. So I'm not really going to pay a whole lot of attention to them because they don't really know if they work or not. They haven't been running for months. So they might not be working. 100% chance they're not working because they're just testing them. So let's just go through here. This ad looks like garbage. This ad looks like garbage. This ad doesn't look like garbage. This ad doesn't look like garbage. And I also recommend doing picture ads. Do not do video ads when first starting out. But this is just my opinion. So this ad looks like he's doing something. This ad looks like they're doing something. These ads look kind of like garbage, to be honest. And then video ads, there's a whole lot more in-depth stuff you have to know for those. So just picture ads are probably the best. This ad I do not recommend. It's like garbage. This ad, you can try it out, but this ad's probably garbage. There's no text here at all. There's no phone number. That ad's probably garbage, to be honest. Okay, let's keep going here. Kind of judgmental, but Facebook ads, I just have my own taste and I know what works. Okay. These ads that catch your eye, they do catch your eye here. But you don't have to do something like this. That's just, you don't have to. The easiest thing to do is take a picture of you and the customer just like this. Just ask the customer, hey, do you want your picture in one of our social media things? And they'll say, yeah, I do. And then you get called. The best thing to do is do a collage, okay? So something like this would be the best thing to do. I recommend having more pictures than this. And then also, you see how this fills the whole page up and this doesn't? You definitely want a collage that fills the entire page up and it's cropped specifically for Facebook ads. So other than that, this ad wouldn't be garbage, but it kind of is garbage because when people scroll, they're not going to see the whole screen because half the screen is not going to be there because this image wasn't cropped correctly. Okay. So let's keep going here. Other than that, these ads don't really, they're all video ads, okay? So I'm not really going to go into the other ads because they're all video ads. So let's just take this image right here. You can just start out with one image. Let's just say we have this image. You can get it from Google search. Best thing would be to get your own image, but Google search is okay. Click on I'm just going to copy this real fast. Okay, go to Ads Manager, click on Campaigns, click Create, click Engagement, rewind the video if you need to. Okay. Keep scrolling down. Don't touch anything. Just click Next. We don't need to fix anything there. Keep scrolling down. You'll select your business Facebook page right here. I have a video. I teach you guys how to set that up if you haven't already. And next thing we're going to do is change this to $5. So we're only going to spend $5 a day. Facebook puts it at $20 a day because they want you to spend more money. We don't want to spend $20 and waste thousands of dollars on ad budget because we're spending too much too fast. I used to do that when I first started, so don't do that mistake because that's just how Facebook gets you to waste more money and they get the profits. Okay, we're all smooth sailing from here on out here. Okay, we know what ad we want to use. We set everything up, your business page, your ads manager, and we're gonna start making some money here. Okay, so let's get going. This is where the good part happens. Type in your city. Okay. So St. Louis City. I'm getting a little too excited right now. So just type in your city, put the 25-mile radius. You can do 35-mile radius. That does work, but if 25 is good, just leave it on 25. I only do 35 if I need to. Okay. But all ages, all genders. And then once you get more data, you can edit the ages and the genders. Probably the ages, probably older people you need to edit. But we don't have enough data to really realize what age group we need to target. So we're just going to leave it on everything, and Facebook's going to automatically select that for us. And then we're going to have advantage placements on. So put that on. Click next. And then we're going to select our Facebook page right here, our Instagram account. Select all that. Add setup. Click single image. Add your media. Okay, I'm not going to add the media, but you would want to add the media, and click next. And then you want to crop it. Okay, so just make sure the media right here is cropped correctly. So you see how there's this gray stuff right here? This is the only one we want to look at. We don't look at these, just look at this one. You see how it's gray right here? You want to fill in the whole page, so this should be cropped correctly right here. So that's good. Okay. And then ideally you'd want a collage. So one picture here, one picture here, one here, one here, one here, one here. So you'd have like 10 pictures right there. But you can just do one picture for right now. And pretend that's a chiropractic image like we saw right here. Okay. Just popping his back. That looks really cool. Okay. And then for the primary text, click it and say, hey, and then your city. And then say what you treat, and then just do this to make it cool, and then call it text. Put your phone number here. You also want to copy this part here. Put your phone number here so they can have, your phone number when they see the ad. A lot of people screenshot that, to be honest. And then we're just going to put another emoji. You don't have to do this, but you can put whatever emoji you feel like putting in the headline, okay? Because people like emojis in the headline. Click send message. You want to make your own template for the messaging template. That's for another video though. Just click edit, and then you can edit what you want to do on it. Okay, I'm actually going to click that so you guys know. So that way they have different options to click, like fix my back, fix my neck. Fix something else. You can put what you want them to click on here. So not that someone's gonna have a broken back when they're okay, they may have a broken back when they're clicking on your ad, but I'm not sure. But you can just put whatever you want here. Okay. So we're all good to go here. Everything's pretty straightforward and simple. And then what you'll do is click duplicate. Do 4 different copies. We want 4 copies. And now you're going to have 5 different ads underneath the ad set of $5 a day. Okay. So you want a different picture for each one of these ads, and you want to see which one does the best. So pretend you edited each one of these and put a different picture. And then you'll go back here. You'll click review and publish, and it'll publish everything at the same time. Okay. And then next thing you want to do is test this for a week, see what the best cost per result is for which ad does the best, and you're going to tell by which picture is performing the best. So you have 5 different pictures. One of them is going to outrank the other one. Okay, it's just how it works. And if nothing happens, you don't get any results, that means all your pictures are trash. Restart, do different pictures. You're still having a hard time with it. Get one-on-one coaching with me or do my course, because otherwise you just waste thousands of dollars. So that's about it, guys. I covered every single thing you need to know, and my course is down below if you want to do my course, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So see you guys.